Well, good morning. It's Crazy Cheap Chick, and today I'm going to make an inexpensive, sweet little gift for a friend who just had knee replacement surgery. Sending flowers can get expensive, and the point of a gift is just to let someone know that you're thinking about them, that you care about them. It doesn't have to cost a ton of money. So let's head over to the worldwide headquarters of Crazy Cheap Chick, otherwise known as my laundry room. Well, the first thing I had to do was make a trip to Hobby Lobby. And I found these jars, and this jar here was $4.99, and this jar here was $5.99. Now, you know how Hobby Lobby is. Half the time, half the stuff in the store is half off. Who knows when. It just, by chance, it turned out that these glass jars were half off. So these two jars ended up costing about $2.50 each, and this jar cost about $3. And if they had had more jars, I would have bought more jars, but they were out. Then I went and looked at the washi tape, and they had some really cute bee-themed tape, and I'm going to put that around here because I'm going to fill these with honey. So first, let's do the tape. So there, I got the tape on. Even if you're crafting challenged like me, and I'm very crafting challenged, this tape is just so easy to use and so cute. So all I had to do was tape it onto the jar. And of course, I sterilized these jars. I washed them really good. And now I'm going to put the tape on the next two jars. Okay, these jars, I got the tape on, and I've got this tape in the center because it has kind of this end set, like where you would put what it is. I'm going to attempt to write honey on there. So I wrote honey on there. Does it look perfect? No. You know, there's a lot of beauty in imperfection. This is about me showing I love someone, really, that I care about them. And now I am going to fill them with honey. Now, my neighbor has, I don't know, 100, 200 hives, I don't know. And I buy my honey for him. So this is like 80 ounces of honey, like 5 pounds of honey or something. And I think it probably works out to like, what would that be, around 42, 43 cents an ounce, something like that. And you might even be able to find less expensive honey in a grocery store or something, but I'm going to encourage you to buy local honey. There's a lot of reasons to do that. For one reason, the honey that you buy in a grocery store is often diluted with like corn syrup or something like that. And if you buy local honey, it really helps with allergies. I've always heard that my whole life, and I really kind of believe it. So I'm going to put honey in these jars, and you know, it's going to be like $2 or $3 worth of honey, and then the jars were $2.50, and I had to pay a little bit of money for the tape. So this is probably going to be about a $5 gift. I don't know. So isn't that pretty? Now I'm going to have to go buy some more honey. But it came with little spoons, so I'm going to put the little spoons in there. And this is like something you would keep on your dining room table or kitchen table. I'm going to put these lids on. So there is the finished product. I think it's cute, and I think my friends will love it. This one I'm keeping for myself, for my own kitchen table. But these two I'm going to give as gifts. Well, if you don't have a neighbor with 100 hives, then just Google your state's bee association. I'm sure they have a whole list of people that sell honey in your area. It's great to support local businesses. At least that's what I think. And this is just a great gift. I think my friends will love it. And I really appreciate your watching my video all the way to the end. If you got anything at all out of it, please give me a like and consider subscribing. I make a lot of videos on how to do things yourself, crafting, recipes, fun things to do with kids. Join us. We just have a ton of fun. And I'm going to end it with a cute video of my dog so that you can have a great day. Who's my honey? Sparky. Who's my honey? Who's my honey? You're my honey, aren't you?